can see your circles sometimes. Guys, I will go here. And I will go to Campfire and use this. This okay. You can do this too. This will stickers look like you and so guys, wait. Just wait. Okay guys. Sometimes I want to act. Okay, this is the favorite dish. Before sometimes I want to use that thing. Thank you guys, as somebody scores, they can get up. I want to question. It's just. Wait, what? You're gonna get banned. You're not listening to him. Yep. Oh, that's our bus. This is so much. You can play on your box. You can stop the name. You can check it. See, just like how it's just the wind. How did this guys? You can stop on it. Apron Crush Simulator. I want more fun. This is it. Okay. You and you get out the fighting jet. You cannot go in. Okay, guys. Military. The expensive plane ever is the bomber. Or B2. B2 is the famous plane. This is my favorite skin of it. And who's that? What's that? Okay, I want to here's the fun mode. This is just fake. Look, are you going down? Right? Are you going down? Well, it's not fun. This is not fun mode. What? I don't want to go. And sometimes it's gonna good.
Terrain. Hold up.
So I go to the tikpan.
Kasukat mo ulit mo sa patas para ito, itapat mo. Lahat, pakilaman.
Ayaw ba Biscaya ang nag-juice lang? Eh, bakit nag-ganyan sila? Kanto ba Biscaya? Apa dito sipotay? Ewa do kami nito. Ingatan ko si baby kasi bakit magpupulot sa oil alas oil, kahit sa ano-ano yung hindi pa pakain. Mami. Mami, bakit nagawa ko sa
Wala pa kapatid mo. Sila na ito.
mami? Sushi. Mami, ako baba si baby, gagay na siya. Gagay lang siya, gagay lang siya. Upuan ni baby yun.